to another video. So today we are doing mini twists. Previously I had a video where I did like a medium-sized twist, and usually that's about the size I go or a little bit smaller, but this is the smallest that I have ever done and I'm loving it. I'm just so excited to do all the different type of styles I can do with this. But yeah, I'm just gonna hop right into the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much. But let's hop right into the video. All right, you all, so I have my hair all sectioned off. I'm just gonna start off with 4 sections. I'm gonna probably start back here. So I'm just gonna use, I'm just gonna try out just using some foam and then some, this is more like a custard or a gel, but it's super light. I use it when I do my wash and goes. It will just give you a nice fluffy curl. So I'm just gonna try that out. Let me comb this out. Do a little bit of this. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, these parts are not gonna be the best, especially in the back. So I'm gonna do my best to get the parts as neat as possible for the back, and then for the front I'll try to make it so it won't just seem like I threw something together. But and I'm gonna take half of this section. Doing regular twist. Let it go and give it a little twirl, and yeah. This is so tiny. All right, y'all, so I have the first 2 done, and they are so tiny. Just take a look at them. Like, don't be looking at me sideways if these get bigger as I keep going, because I'm always on a time crunch, but I only have a few hours to get this done. So yeah, wish me luck, but here I go. I may come back when this whole back section is done. Okay, y'all, so it's been several hours later and I have the back done. This is how it's looking. Yeah, so now I just have the top to do, and hopefully it doesn't take me as long as the back took. But it's looking good. I'm liking it so far. And yeah, let's see how the rest turns out. All right, y'all, so I am 75% done with my hair. I just have this section to go. this is it, but everything else is turning out good. And I'm so ready to be done, so let me just finish up. So I am almost done. I just have 2 more pieces left. But for this top part on this side, I'm gonna try to do it more so out towards my head, only because I like to flip this side over there sometime, and if I know if I braid it downwards, it's gonna like stay on this side. So I'm gonna try to go upwards so it can be versatile. All right, you all, this is my final piece. It's just like towards the end it gets super skinny, so I don't even think that's worth trying to twist, but just clump it together and make a curl out of it. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I just need to swoop these edges, but here it is. I lost count after like my first section. I was like, I can't keep count, and I know I'm not gonna keep count for the entire thing, but it's definitely over 100. Definitely. So yeah, most likely I will swoop this side over there, something like that. This protective style can be very versatile. You can pretty much manipulate it how you do your real hair. Like you can do some up, some down, you can do a bun, so you can just play around with it and have fun. I'll probably insert some pictures of how I'll style it throughout the week, or different styles you can do with it. But yeah, I like this a lot. This is probably the smallest mini twist I have ever done in my head, and it's super cute. It just was very time consuming. I even had to take a break to go run some errands, but I finished just in time. All right, you all, so this is the finished product. I just touched up my edges a little bit just to give it a little bit more, So I'm all done now. I'm super happy of how it turned out. Yeah, so if you all like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it so much, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.